Zihmer Law Firm is an estates and trusts firm that also deals with elder law. And really what that means is that we're here to work with people, but not just people, families, and welcome them into the Zihmer Law Firm family by giving them peace of mind and a path forward where oftentimes they don't feel like they have any good options. We're here to give the options, help them through it, and that's what our awesome legal team does.
When we use the term estates and trusts, we're typically talking about estate planning. So helping people plan for if something were to happen to them. So if they passed away, they became incapacitated. But the thing with that is we don't just prepare documents. There's online websites and things like that for that. We actually provide the advice and the recommendations on encompassing the entire plan, because an estate plan is not just your documents, it's also how you're titling your accounts and all these other things. And we make sure we look at the full picture, and it's a very holistic approach. Another one is we help people with when a loved one passes away. We help the family through the process. There's a whole legal process involved with an estate administration, and we help from opening an estate, doing the tax returns, and providing all the advice and guidance that comes with that. The other part of our firm is we do a lot with other things that may happen with a family to help when they need it. So if a loved one didn't have a power of attorney and they need a guardianship, we can help with that. If someone needs to go into a nursing home, we can help guide the family through that process, and many other things in that same area. So we can help with supplemental needs trusts if somebody's on any sort of disability or government benefits, and lots of other things associated with that area of law.
So when we're talking about estate planning, typical families, folks with young kids, blended families, a second marriage where people are bringing children in from one or both sides, folks that are just retiring and have a handful of assets, a home and a couple of things there, to really complex things where folks may be heading towards federal estate tax, all the way up through high net worth individuals. We really bring a comprehensive approach, focus on the person, but from really simple to pretty darn complex. So we build our team with individuals that really take this approach, that are going to go the extra mile, help folks jump in, kind of sit with them through this process, make it, I can't say enjoyable, these aren't fun topics, but make it the best it can be, make it a really good experience. And people usually walk out of here going, I feel better, that gave me peace of mind, I have a breath or sigh of relief, and I feel like I finally handled that. And thanks for making that easy. That really means that we did our job correctly.
It's so important for us that our team is responsive to our clients, that they provide the experience and the level of service that I've worked so hard to create here at the firm. We make sure that every team member has the same values as us and has the same beliefs, and they really want to help. And that's what has allowed us to grow significantly over the years.
So every year back to 2017 now, we've done more work, which ultimately means we've helped more clients. And that is a true testament to the team that we have, the amazing people we get to serve, and just what Zihmer Law Firm truly stands for in this community.